my kids' end of school year party. Here we go. Spa treatment?
We're saving this man's life!
We have a big mess. Shenanigans. Shenanigans.
Prime. I thought you were asking if you could have Prime.
Do you feel like you're in college again? That was better, right?
That tastes like best crunch.